Questions arising from the court's questions?
No questions, my lord.
Mr. Mngomezulu?
I've got questions. Sir, do you understand what is to take an oath?
That's correct.
Yebo ngiyakwazi ukuthi kuyini ke ukufunga
Please tell the court.
That
What is it?
That I testified to the best of my knowledge and conscience.
nokuthi ke ngizokwethula ke ubufakazi ke ngeyona ndlela ke futhi ke ngazi ke ukuthi ke bophezela la kunembeza
And I took the prescribed oath of binding on my conscience.
ukuthi ke leso sifungo leso engisithathayo ukuthi siyangibophezela ke kuyena ke unembeza wami.
All right. I just want to clear up this aspect. Are you retired or resigned from the SAPS?
Now retired, but like I said, I'm still assisting my team because there isn't another AMB analyst appointed with them yet. But I'm also assisting some private companies, especially in my case now, I'm assisting them in farmer tax, farmers, do analysis.
Akusiyo ukuthi ke ngisulile emsebenzini kodwa ke kufike isikhathi sokuthi ke ngibeke phansi ke noma ke lokho akubizwa ukuphecelezi ke ukuretire kodwa njengoba ngishilo ukuthi akakabi khona ke umuntu ke owenzayo lo msebenzi ngisabalekelela ke neinkampani ezimele ke futhi la ekuhlaselwa khona ke kakhulukazi emaplazini ngisabalekelela.
For mere assisting your colleagues, does not derive a personal interest? Can that not mean you have derived a personal interest?
In which way?
All right. You are retired, you're no longer with the SAPS. Anything that you offer the state, does that not benefit you personally?
No, not at all at this stage.
Manje ke njengoba ngithi ngiyalekelela ke akukho engithi ke kukhona ke engikuzuzayo kuloko uma ngilekelela umbuso.
Do you know that a person, I'm talking about a person who fabricates or manufactures something, it's a personal decision of that person. Do you agree?
No, I agree. It's like the judge or my lord mentioned.
You don't have to.
Ngiyakwazi ke uma ukuthi ke umuntu wenza into engekho ukuthi ke bekhona ke lokho ukuthi ke alethe ubufakazi ongasibona ke ukuthi ke yebo lo wenzani nanjengoba umehluleli beqeda ukusho ke manje.
You don't have to know these accused persons for a person to derive a personal interest of fabricating evidence.
No, it's true. I don't have to know anyone to do or been instructed to do something or something. I just do my own job to the best of my knowledge.
Kuyiqiniso ukuthi asikho isidingo sokuthi ngazi umuntu ukuthi ngenze ke noma yini noma ngenza into ukuthi nje ngenza umsebenzi wami ke ngalendlela ekufanele ngwenze ngayo futhi nangendlela engazi ngakhona.
Before I conclude, let me just put it to you. Wait until Brigadier Gininda take that stand. You wait until he is cross-examined. That's when I'll make a conclusion. Because I didn't say you fabricated. But wait until Gininda take that stand. That's when I'm going to put it to you, or to him, and to include you, that you fabricated all the evidence. You cooked the evidence.
On what do you base that, sir?
I'll base on
Because
what is
Gininda,
coming.
No, wait. Gininda hasn't testified about his cell phone numbers.
May I repeat it? Maybe you didn't hear me, my lord.
Me?
Yes.
I hear everything in this.
May I rephrase it?
Yeah.
I'm
rephrase.
saying, wait until Gininda takes that stand. That's when I'm going to conclude that he fabricated evidence.
On what basis? Can I know?
Wait until the court will wait until Gininda take a stand.
I see. Okay.
Yes.
Fine.
I don't want to put it now to him, but I'll make my own conclusions when Gininda takes that stand.
Yes, Mr. Ramsepidi.
As the court pleases, my lord, I do not have any questions for the witness.
Thanks. Yes, Mr. Ngomalo. Mr. Ngomalo, please.
Oh, okay. I thought it's for case number 3.
I said Ngomalo. I didn't say Mr.
Sorry,
Mnisi.
madam, sorry. I have nothing arising from the consequences.
Yes,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Mnisi.
Thank you, my lord.
Sir, is it correct that on a number of occasions you are admitted in your own weight that in the compilation of the testimony or the information that you had to come and give here at court, you had made numerous mistakes. There are issues where you were not certain about, you forgot those issues. Is that not so?
The only one I can mention is on page 23.
I'm not saying mention those instances. I'm saying, is it not so that you made mistakes, you forgot certain things in your...
And I can refer to my spreadsheet where I typed the numbers wrong.
Engikwaziyo ke la ngenze khona ke iphutha ngishilo ke page 23 nakusona ke spreadsheet sami la engiye mhlambe ngabhala noma ngatype wrong.
Sir, is it correct that on a number of occasions you said there are issues that you made mistake on and there are issues that were which you forgot?
No,
Akusilodanga iqiniso
So you never
ukuthi-ke
said that
ngivumeleke
you
ukuthi
made
ngenza
mistake
amaphutha.
and then you forgot.
not many occasions.
Now you said you have actually, as the court was leading you, that you had done more than 200 cases and none of those cases were rejected. 2,000, yes. And none of the presiding officers in those cases actually rejected your version.
That's correct.
Thank you.
Yebo ngishilo ukuthi kunamacala amaningi ke ngisebenze kuwona ka enqeleke kwinkulungwane ezimbili akukho ke umehlukelo wake la asho khona ke ukuthi cha ubufakazi bami abamukeleki.
That is, you basing that assumption on the fact that the courts on which you appeared before ultimately return a verdict of guilty on those that you're testifying against.
No, I don't understand.
I am saying we are basing that on the fact that the court on which you appeared or at which you appeared before would normally return a verdict of guilty against those that you're testifying against.
I can't agree. Or I can't comment.
Ingabe lokho ukusho ngoba lezo inkantolo lezo owethule ubufakazi kuzona ke inkantolo mhlambe labo owawufakaza ngakubona ke abalahlwa amacala angeke ngivumeke futhi akukho engakusho kuloko.
Let me tell you this, sir. In court, there are procedures. One of them, there's something called appeals. It could be that those courts that you appeared before on the basis of the fact that they would almost all convict people, then you would assume that your version is not rejected. But you don't know what is happening on appeal, not so?
No, actually, I monitor all my cases where there's been convictions.
Yeah.
Angikutshela lokhu ke kukhona okuningi ke okwenzekayo ke enkantolo asithi umuntu ke ulahlwe icala ke awukwazi ukuthi kwenzekani ke kamuva ke uma sekudluliswa icala engakusho kwena ke ukuthi ke onke amacala engithula ubufakazi kuwona ke ngiyawalandela ke la khona futhi ke abantu balahlwe amacala.
That is what I'm putting you, sir, that in as much as all the cases that you're appearing before, on the presiding officers, with due respect, that you're appearing before, their finding would be that the people that you have testified against, they will be found guilty. But the second leg of what is happening there, that is their appeals, maybe
Mr. Minister, please, that's speculation. Present the evidence to him and say, in case number so and so, this is what happened.
I'm not here to present evidence, my lord.
No,
that is never my duty.
No, that's
it is him.
He's
It's
told
the
you-
witness.
no,
I'm
no,
trying
Mr.
to.
Nisi.
I'm trying to
Mr.
demonstrate to
Mr.
him
Nisi,
that
just
he might not be
behave,
accurate
please.
in saying
Just
that
behave.
in all the cases
Just
because there
behave.
are appeal processes.
just behave, please. He's told you he monitors all his cases.
Thank
Now
you,
you're
ma-
telling him about appeals and
Thank you, my lord. I'm going to request you, say, of all the 2,000 cases that you're saying you're monitoring, to identify if there are cases that went on appeal and what were the outcomes on appeal,
Don't
and
make-
come and present them here. Because
you don't have to. You don't have to. I'm overruling him. Okay.
Okay, thank you, my lord.
You don't have to.
Thank you. And the reason why I'm saying this is because there's a trajectory that has been busy formulated here at court that has got to do with a credibility finding when that time for credibility finding has not yet arrived. And that is totally irregular. Thank you. I've got no further questions.
Thank you.
Thank you, my lord.
I thought your curriculum vitae is in your affidavit,
Yes,
and you read it into the record.
that's correct.
Thank you. Okay.
It's me, my lord.
Sorry, yeah.
Colonel, you're saying there is there is no case wherein your evidence has been rejected. Is that what you said? There
That's
is no
correct.
case wherein your evidence has been rejected.
That's correct.
Okay.
Yebo ngiyashoka ukuthi akukho la khona bese ubufakazi bami ke abamukelwa khona.
Could you please give us a list and the citation of those cases so that the information that we have tendered under oath now can be verified?
That's correct.
list?
Well, what I can do it if you instruct me to do it, but I can also mention they talking about now 2,000 cases which appeared in court. That's not the incident. I work on 2,000 cases and appear in court regularly. It's not 2,000 cases. And I can tell now, the investigation officers contact me. We monitor my old cases. So I can just go, if I still got the records, because why must I keep the records still? If the investigation officer was part of my team that time, not phoning me now and said that is the result of that, I won't have any record anymore.
Sengingaya ke ngiyobheka ke emuva ke uma kuwukuthi ama record asekhona nokuthi futhi ke abaphenyi ke balawo macala bayaxhumana ke nami uma kuwukuthi akasaxhumani ke nami kodwa ke ngisengahamba ke ngiyobheka ke lawo ma case ngoba ngishilo ukuthi ama case ke ngiyawalandelela.
If you can just give us citation, then we'll be able to do the research on our own. And the reason why, Colonel, I'm asking for this proof is because this is a court of law. Whatever that you say in court, it must be substantiated by evidence. That's why I'm saying give us citation so that we can go and research those cases to verify if your evidence has never been rejected in all of those 2,000 cases.
Okay, my lord.
Ngizokwenza ke lokho ukuthi ke ngininikeza ke lawo ma case lawo ukuthi nizowabheka.
Yeah, you've just said you understand the meaning of taking an oath. Which oath were you referring to? The oath when you are being employed or the oath that you take here in court when you are testifying? Which oath were you referring to?
No comment, my lord. Because it seems to me we're playing now.
Ushilo ke ukuthi uyazi ukuthi kuyini ukufunga usho ukufunga ke uma ngabe uqala ke umsebenzi njenge phoyisa ukufunga la enkantolo akukho ke ngizokusho ke lapho ngoba sengathi siyadlala ke manje.
Colonel, from your experience in the service of the SAPS, there are many police officers who have testified against the accused or about the accused in cases that they've dealt with. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yebo kuyiqinisa ukuthi maningi ke amaphoyisa ke athule ubufakazi ngakubona ke abamangalelwa.
And some of the evidence of those police officers had been rejected, not on the basis that they knew the accused that they were working with or the suspects they were working with, but the test for rejecting evidence is the unreliability and authenticity of evidence that that individual is testifying about, which is not the case in your evidence.
My lord, I can testify the same about her. She's unreliable, trying to put me in a way, so we can point fingers to each other in this court.
Thank you, my lord. I have no further. Thank you, my lord. I have no further questions. It shows the experience of being a colonel, the way you are responding.
And you as an advocate.
You know what? Thanks ever so much.
Thank you, my lord.
Assistance. I know it was disconcerting for you to break off your vacation,
For my long leave.
your long leave. Okay, we appreciate your
Thank you, my lord.
efforts. Okay. Yes, Mr.
As the court please, my lord, the court indicated at some stage that the court would like to recall Ms.
No, I'm not going to.
Pinky. Is it still necessary? Because
I'm not going
we asked her just to be on standby.
Hello?
We asked her not to come to court, but just to be on standby.
No, I'm not going to recall it
Oh,
because
okay.
this witness has covered all those G's and G's which gave me a problem.
As the court please, my lord, can we maybe adjourn for about 15 minutes just to have a discussion with my colleagues?
You're excused.
Sorry.
Okay, no?
This is switching off, thank you.
Oh, okay.
I've just received an indication that apparently Advocate Ngumala wants to hand in certain documents.
Is it? Which documents are those?
My lord, there were exhibits that I referred to in my cross-examination.
Yeah, you handed them off.
Yes. No.
You didn't hand them
this,
up.
this is the second one.
Oh, the second one. The first
Yes.
one was
Exhibit. Savannah, can you assist exhibit?
The first one was Triple K5F, the downloads.
Yeah, triple K5.
Triple KF,
F,
triple K5 in brackets F,
F, yeah.
the
okay.
downloads.
Right, and which one also?
Then there was a reference to a document that was not handed up, but I think my learned friend can elaborate on that.
Okay,
This one, my daughter, would be exhibit triple K5H
5H.
from
Yeah.
Roman figure 1 to Roman figure 3.
Do you have a copy for the court?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, So, is that it?
That's, yes, my daughter, that is it. Thank you.
The other one, wait, I don't have a copy of the other one. It was triple K what? 4, 5, 6.
5F, triple K5F.
5F, oh, yeah. Okay, let's see.
Is it not with you, Kenneth? The exhibit.
Triple K5F.
I do have it, my daughter, thank
Yeah,
you.
can I have a copy then? Dengue.
That will be on, my daughter, thank you.
Okay, is it okay? Balui, must I adjourn or what?
As a court, please, yes, may we just adjourn for,
What's happening tomorrow?
well, that's what we want to discuss, my lord. That's what we want to discuss now
So I must come back.
with my colleagues, yes, if it's possible.
I must go out to come back.
Yes, unless if we were to adjourn and then come back tomorrow, but I suggest that maybe we
Have you heard
adjourn.
about South African politicians?
There's a lot, what in particular?
Hmm?
What in
They
particular?
go out, they come